In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from an Australian bank account to an Indian bank account using Wise without incurring any fees. We all know how vital it is to ensure our hard-earned money reaches its intended destination without unnecessary costs, and Wise offers an efficient way to do just that. Let's dive right into the process. First, start by logging into your Wise account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Send Money section. This is where we begin our process. It's quite intuitive, but let's walk through the steps together to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now, you'll want to select AUD as your transfer currency. Since you're sending money from Australia, choosing Australian dollars makes sense. This step is crucial as Wise will base the conversion rate and the transfer options on this currency choice. Once that's selected, the next step is quite simple. Just click on the Send button. This button initiates the transfer process and leads you to the next stages where you'll be providing more detailed information. Now you'll see the option to Add Recipient. Go ahead and click on that. Here you'll provide the details about the person or the bank account in India that you're sending money to. For the recipient currency, you'll want to select INR, which stands for Indian rupees. Again, this is an important step as selecting the right currency ensures that the recipient receives the correct amount. You're then going to choose the bank transfer option. This step will require you to enter the recipient's bank details. Make sure you have their account number and the bank's IFSC code on hand. Once you've double-checked these details for accuracy, you can proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. You can either choose Pay with Balance if you have funds in your Wise account, or use their bank transfer option for a direct link from your Australian bank. Wise often provides options for zero-fee transfers depending on the method, so opting for a direct bank transfer can be a cost-effective choice. Be aware that while debit or bank transfers often qualify for no-fee transfers, credit card payments might incur additional charges. Now it's time for the final review and confirmation. Double-check all the details you've entered. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer. You'll be able to track the progress of your money as it makes its journey from Australia to India. The process is often seamless, and you'll see updates until the funds have safely arrived at the recipient's bank in India. And there you have it. Transferring money internationally using Wise without any fees can be straightforward and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and happy transferring.